Hello, friends. Imagine a system you build once that makes money for you, even while you sleep. This is a self-running money machine, or passive income. It's about working smart, not just hard. This machine gives you freedom to do what you love without financial stress. Normally, your time equals money. Stop working, and the money stops. A money machine changes this. It separates your time from your income. You put in effort up front, and then it works for you, like a mango tree giving fruit season after season. Why should you care? Because life is expensive, and relying on one income source is stressful. A money machine is your financial backup, working in the background. It helps you build wealth slowly, providing security and options. With the internet, anyone can build a money machine. You don't need a lot of money or to be a business genius. Just a good idea, effort to set up, and patience to see it grow. In this guide, I'll show you how to build your money machine, step by step. We'll keep it simple and practical. So, grab a cup of chai, and let's start building your path to financial freedom. Ready? Let's dive in. The first step is finding your idea, the fuel for your money machine. You don't need to invent the next Google. The best ideas come from what you know or love. Think about your skills and knowledge. They're valuable. People online are looking for solutions, and your knowledge could be it. Make a list, your hobbies, skills, and problems you've solved. Somewhere in this list is your golden idea. Look at examples. A friend sells Instagram filters. Another sells a fitness guide. Create a digital product you can sell repeatedly. Check if there's interest online. If people are searching for it, there's demand. Don't worry if others are doing it. It means there's a market. Add your unique style to stand out. You have your idea. Now, build the machine to sell it. Create a simple online setup where people can find, pay for, and receive your product. Start with a landing page using free tools like Card or Gumroad. No coding needed, just a clear headline, product benefits, and a buy now button. Use platforms like Gumroad for easy payment processing. They handle payments and deliver the product automatically. If using Razorpay, automate delivery with tools like Zapier. Set up a Zap to send an email with the product link after payment. It's a simple, one-time setup. Your machine is now ready to run. Keep it simple and focused on selling your product. This is the core of your money-making machine. Let's move on to automation. Automation is key to a self-running money machine. It means setting up systems to do tasks automatically. Use email marketing tools like MailChimp for automated communication. Offer a freebie on your landing page to build an email list. Set up an email sequence to promote your product. Use social media schedulers like Buffer to automate posts. Schedule posts in advance to keep marketing consistent. Automation frees your time to improve your product or relax. Think of it as hiring a team of tiny, free robots. Congrats! Your machine is built, but it needs maintenance. Check your system weekly to catch small issues early. Don't ignore customers. Respond to queries quickly. Happy customers leave good reviews. Unhappy ones can harm your reputation. Keep promoting your machine. Look for new marketing opportunities. Write guest posts, collaborate with creators, or join online discussions. Marketing is a continuous effort, not a one-time task. Be patient and keep learning. Your machine won't make you rich overnight. Celebrate small wins and learn from mistakes. Tweak your landing page or create a related product. Building a money machine is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent and enjoy the journey. Now go build your machine. You've got the tools and the knowledge. Let's make it happen.